JIRA integration allows you to save scripts and documentation to JIRA project. It also reports a bug in case of failed test results. To connect to your JIRA project, proceed to Integrations, JIRA Connection. Here you need to place your project requisites information such as a project server address, JIRA username and password, project name, and optional default components. By marking checkboxes, you can set automatic bug posting in case of failed results of test execution and automatic restoration of connection with JIRA project upon each ZAPTEST start. Finally, click Connect, and in case of successful connection with JIRA, you will see JIRA Connected badge on the bottom panel. After setup connection with JIRA, you can save your script to the project. ZAPTEST creates new issue and attach the script. You can also generate manual test steps documentation and export it to your JIRA project. ZAPTEST creates new issue and place test documentation to description. You can attach script and documentation to the same issue. Let's see how it looks like in JIRA. Here's the script. Here is documentation. On a script execution, in case of test result is negative, ZAPTEST automatically creates a bug within the project if corresponding checkbox marked. ZAPTEST also saves full test results to the project in this case. You can find more information about the integration process and ZAPTEST capacities in the ZAPTEST portal.